Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a Starbucks gift card using the mobile app, step by step. Step 1. Open the Starbucks app on your mobile device. Make sure you are signed in to your Starbucks account. If you don't have an account, create one using your email and a secure password. Step 2. Tap on the Pay tab at the bottom of the app. This is where you can manage your cards and add new ones. Step 3. Select Add a card and then choose Add a gift card. This will allow you to enter the card details for activation. Step 4. For physical cards, scratch the back to reveal the PIN. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 5. Enter the card number and PIN exactly as shown. Double-check for typos to ensure proper activation. Step 6. Tap Add Card or Reload to complete the activation process. The app will confirm that the card balance has been successfully added to your account. Step 7. Check your Starbucks balance under the Pay tab to confirm the funds are available. Your gift card is now ready to use for purchases in-store or through the app. That's it. Following these steps allows you to activate a Starbucks gift card using the mobile app quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step guides.